It looks hella lit.
Hella lit. I like how he just broke down to us.
It's science, dog.
Yeah, cause he's not doing the coal. He's doing the wood. So that means he's gonna give us a real flavor, man. So
And no dryness.
Man. So hey, we excited, man. Let's see what he got going on under the tent, brother.
I ain't gonna lie, it's hot out here though.
Yeah, definitely hot out here. Y'all already know it.
Line up a couple smalls of like the chicken, the pork, the oxtail.
Yes. I don't do pork. He does pork.
Okay.
So I'll
Do you
do.
want to do chicken?
I do chicken lamb.
I don't have lamb today.
Oh, okay. So I do
only
chicken.
that on Friday.
Oh, I do chicken oxtail.
Chicken and oxtail. I got pigtail, and pork, and barbecue ribs.
You got jerk pork?
Yep.
Jerk
Pork. Well, you both gonna do oxtail? I mean, I'll do one oxtail. Okay. You guys can. But you wanna do the pigtail? No. I got barbecue ribs. No.
You wanna do that?
Baby backs. Nice, tender, juicy.
What you wanna do?
I'll do that.
Yeah.
So you gonna do some oxtail or something? I still want to bust some oxtail.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'll do a small, so I mean, that's got a couple colorful pieces.
Okay,
So
definitely.
I'll do a
All
small
right.
chicken, a small oxtail, a small pork.
All right, yes, sir. All right, so. All right, addicts. So look, check the meal out. We have drinks, natural juices, Polly Poppin', orange mango. So we have a lot of different varieties.
That's a lot. It's a lot right there, man.
Definitely, it's a lot right there.
Yeah, jerk chicken neck. What's going on? Yeah, that's very good. That's very good.
Yeah, brother. So. Shade. Come on, they get shade. It came off more? What happened to it? You just said. Definitely hot. Alright, so I'm gonna stop this.